Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to protect a worksheet in Excel to prevent others from editing or changing data that you don't want them to. This is a really useful feature when you need to share a file but still want to keep your data safe. First, open your Excel file and select the worksheet you want to protect. Then, go to the Review tab on the ribbon. Here you'll see a button called Protect Sheet. Click on it. A new window will pop up, allowing you to set a password and choose protection options. In the first field, enter your password and make sure to check the Protect Worksheet option. You can leave the password field blank if you want. The worksheet will still be protected, but that means anyone can unprotect it. Below you'll see a list of options to either allow or restrict what others can do on the worksheet. For example, I'm going to select the option to allow deleting rows. Finally, click OK, enter your password again, and click OK one more time. Now your worksheet is protected, and users can't make any changes to it. When you right-click on a row, you'll see that the Delete option isn't disabled. However, you still can't delete it. To be able to delete a row when the worksheet is protected, you first need to unprotect the worksheet. Next, select one or more rows. Right-click, choose Format Cells. Go to the Protection tab and uncheck the Locked option. Now the options you selected when protecting the worksheet will work as expected. I hope this guide helps you keep your data safer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the Easy Tech Steps channel for more useful Excel and tech tips. See you in the next video.